Hello everybody, these are the batteries I have used yesterday in the testing flights of these batteries. This is the battery A, this is the B, the C I didn't use it, and this is the battery that I use in the Sky controller. Now I'm going to charge these two batteries at once and none here. Okay, disconnect it. This is the A, battery A. This is the battery B. Let me see if this will charge. This battery, I don't know if it's good to charge here or not, so I will not charge for now. Okay, let me see. And they are charging. See you later. This is 10 to 6 p.m. Okay, one battery B is charged, of course, and there is 1970 hours p.m. 7. Now it's 7 p.m. Now this is almost 9 o'clock p.m. and more precisely 8:53 p.m. and I was distracted by other stuff and I didn't see this charged when the charge was finished, but they are charged now. A and B. Now I'm going to charge the stock battery, the one I use in the Sky controller, in this charger. I don't know if it will work, but I'm gonna take the risk. Now is 8:54 p.m. Here we go. It's charging. Now we wait. I hope this doesn't blow it up. It is 9:49 p.m. and it is fully charged. Bye for now.